How do you show the MacBook battery on the iPhone widget? So this is actually how you have to do it, because on the device, if you go to the App Store, you can look up an app which is called Cloud Battery, and the same one can be found on the MacBook. So if you go to your MacBook's App Store and look up Cloud Battery, you're going to find the very same app, and you essentially want to set it up on both devices. So you can just download it like this. So on the iPhone, when you open up the app for the first time, make sure that you allow it to connect to devices on local network. Right, so as you can see, I click on allow and click on start setup. It's gonna scan for more devices most likely, and you'll be able to continue like this. And you can see I can add one device like that, and as you can see, I already get to see the MacBook's battery, I see the iPhone's battery, I see the Magic Mouse battery, and so on, right? Because that's just how it is connected. As long as you have it downloaded on the same account used on a Mac. So if you download the app from the App Store on Mac and the iPhone, and both accounts are yours, then it will be connected like this, and you'll be able to see the MacBook battery, right, and so on. And of course, you'll be able to add it to your widget on the home screen if you wanted to, so you can quickly access it. So that's how it would work. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.